Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Vida Ova Amaralia and my friend Nabila Agistala Ali. Here we will present the result of our group work discussion journal. In the first of this journal, we find vocabulary word that we don't know yet. Delivered by Nabila Agistala Ali.
Finding the difficult words. 1. Guidelines pedoman, debris serpihan, convey menyampaikan, universally terbalik, easier lebih mudah, regarding mengenai, obtained diperoleh, affected terpengaruh, sampling contoh, disseminate menyebarkan, regarding mengenai, whether apakah, approximately dengan tepat. Finding the main idea. First, introduction. The essence of this paragraph is about the language and language function in which a person language can interact with other humans, expressing themselves, expressing feelings, conveying ideas, as well as information as a spread of knowledge. The latest issue regarding healthcare associated infection (HIAA) is currently the main topic in several countries. This is because of its long-term effects and is not a mild problem, and prevention of HIAA is by maintaining hand hygiene. Hand hygiene is the first barrier in preventing antimicrobial spread should be underestimated. Health students who are prospective medical workers must understand how to overcome them. Besides that, it also discusses hand washing and the relationship of knowledge with hand washing behavior. Method. This research is descriptive analytic research by distributing a questionnaire to respondents revealing the knowledge level of health students about hand washing. The samples were 124 responded taken by random sampling technique. The questionnaire consists of 50 questions which were divided into two aspects, namely student knowledge about hand washing for tool according to WHO guidelines and the student behavior. Result and discussion. The characteristics of respondents were obtained. In general, respondents aged 70 until 12 years, with most of them were female. The most respondents were from level 3 and the nursing science study program. The health study of University Muhammadiyah Magelang have understood that diarrhea can be prevented by doing hand washing. Hand washing can use water that does not flow, such as in bucket. They have to wash the hands when it looks dirty, and step of hand washing to according to WHO guidelines. The health student behavior level didn't meet a good criterion. They understood about the hand washing guidelines, but they didn't do to action. They knew the importance of hand washing, but they didn't do it in their daily life. Conclusion. From the study, it was found the level of knowledge was not directly proportional to the level of behavior. They understand the guidelines but don't do it daily life. And washing practice are simple, but the complex on it depends on the human's character. In the reality is the changing a human's character is not easy.
Next, I will continue. Arranging the main ideas into a paragraph. The content of the main idea Next, translating the paragraph. Ini tentang fungsi bahasa dan bahasa di mana bahasa seseorang dapat berinteraksi dengan manusia lain, mengekspresikan diri, mengungkapkan perasaan, menyampaikan gagasan, serta informasi sebagai penyebar pengetahuan. Isu terkini mengenai Healthcare Associates Infection atau HCAI saat ini menjadi topik utama di beberapa negara. Ini karena efek jangka panjangnya dan bukan masalah ringan, dan pencegahan HCAI adalah dengan menjaga kebersihan tangan. Kebersihan tangan adalah penghalang pertama dalam mencegah penyebaran antimikroba yang harus diremehkan. Mahasiswa kesehatan yang merupakan calon tenaga kesehatan harus memahami cara mengatasinya. Di samping itu, juga dibahas tentang cuci tangan dan hubungan pengetahuan dengan perilaku cuci tangan. Penelitian ini merupakan penelitian deskriptif analitik dengan menyebarkan kuesioner kepada responden yang mengungkap tingkat pengetahuan mahasiswa kesehatan tentang cuci tangan. Sampel sebanyak 124 responden yang diambil dengan teknik random sampling. Angket terdiri dari 20 pertanyaan yang terbagi menjadi dua aspek, yaitu pengetahuan siswa tentang alat cuci tangan dengan menurut pedoman WHO dan perilaku siswa. Karakteristik responden diperoleh secara umum. Responden berumur 17-20 tahun dengan sebagian besar berjenis kelamin perempuan. Responden terbanyak berasal dari tingkat 3 dan program studi ilmu keperawatan. Mahasiswa Kesehatan Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang telah memahami bahwa diare dapat dicegah dengan cara mencuci tangan. Dapat menggunakan air yang mengalir seperti ember, harus mencuci tangan bila terlihat kotor, dan langkah-langkah alat cuci tangan menurut pedoman WHO. Tingkat perilaku mahasiswa kesehatan belum memenuhi kriteria baik. Mereka mengerti tentang pedoman mencuci tangan, tetapi mereka tidak dapat melakukan tindakan tersebut. Mereka tahu pentingnya mencuci tangan, tetapi mereka tidak melakukannya dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Next, the new information. According to WHO, there are 11 steps in hand washing. As a preliminary preparation for hand washing is wetting your hands with clean running water. 3. The first step is applying enough soap to cover all hand surface. The second step is rubbing hands palm to palm. The third step is doing a movement, right palm over left dorsum with interlaced finger and vice versa. The fourth step is doing a movement, palm to palm with finger interlaced. The fifth step is doing a movement, back to finger to opposing palm with finger interlocked. The sixth step is doing a rotational rubbing of left thumb clasped in right palm and vice versa. The seventh step is doing a rotational rubbing backward and forward with clasped finger of right hand in left palm and vice versa. The eighth step is rubbing its words with opposite hand. The ninth step is rinsing hands with water. The tenth step is drying hands thoroughly with a single-use towel. Conclusion. This is about the language and language function is which a person language and interacting with other humans, expressing themselves, expressing feeling, conveying ideas, as well as information as a spreader of knowledge. Prevention of HCIE is by maintaining hand hygiene. Hand hygiene is the first barrier in preventing antimicrobial spread, should be underestimated. Health students who are prospective medical workers must understand how to overcome them. Besides that, it's also discussed hand washing and the relationship of knowledge with hand washing behavior. However, from this study, it was found that the level of knowledge was not directly to their level of behavior. They understand the guidelines but don't do it in daily life. Hand washing practice are simple, but the compliance on it depends on the human's character. In the reality, is the changing a human's character is not easy. Uh, Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there is wrong word. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.